Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is another unboxing and another walkthrough of our hardware wallet. This time we're going to be talking about the Ecomi secure wallet. My usual reminder, please don't forget to hit that like button or that subscribe button if you haven't already. I put out new content quite often and I'd hate for anybody to miss out. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. All investments have inherent risk. Please always do your own research. Alright, let's jump right into it. So this is the Ecomi wallet. I got it a couple weeks ago, but I was waiting to get more than one wallet so that I could try to record all of them in succession. Recording these videos requires me to move a lot of my cameras and stuff and really messes up my normal flow. So trying to do it all at once makes it easier. Let's get this thing out of the box here, shall we? Okay, here we have the card itself, which is the wallet. We have the charging port. We've got the charging cord underneath. The card. This card is the recovery card that you want to put your seed on, and this card is like frequently asked questions, explains what the letters look like on the card because it's got a e-paper screen, so it's a little bit harder to read. It's flat the way it presents, the way it looks, but it's got like digital kind of letters. Your little card to write your seed. Again, my go-to statement, please don't lose this seed. Please don't give anybody this seed. If you lose your Ecomi wallet, you can back up the wallet with the seed. If anybody has these words that the wallet is going to give you, they will be able to access all of your cryptocurrencies and they will be able to take everything from you. So keep this safe. The wallet itself is super thin and it's definitely comparable to a credit card in shape and size. As far as weight goes, it's almost non-existent. I did a review of the Cool Wallet S in the past. I don't know about features necessarily if they're comparable, but as far as makeup, design, and feel, almost identical. As I mentioned before, it's got an e-paper display that is operated by the buttons on the wallet itself. And the wallet uses a companion app, which I again downloaded on the phone and I'll show you in a bit. The Ecomi team states that each currency on the wallet itself can have up to 5 wallets or 5 accounts on the secure app. It has a lithium-ion battery inside the secure wallet and that lasts up to 4 weeks on a single charge. The quick charge feature will charge a low battery from 20% to 85% in just 1 hour, and it will be 100% charge after 4 hours. Little fact about this wallet and the overall project, Ecomi is a crypto project that is working towards bringing collectibles to the blockchain. They basically want to do what CryptoKitties did, but 10 times better. They're creating a digital marketplace to buy and trade collectible digital assets like Pokemon cards, but on the blockchain. I only mention this because they state that you'll be able to store your collectibles on the wallet itself, which is also a fun little perk. So let's get this thing started here, shall we? Hello. Please pair. So it needs me to pair it to the wallet. All right, let's pair this baby. So click on the wallet itself. Hello? Please pair. Tap the wallet you want to pair below, click the connect button. We're just going to try and see if this is, oh yeah, okay, so now we pair it with Bluetooth, so 504255, pair. Connecting. Press button to finish pairing. Create. Now it's giving me from the seed from the app to write down in that little card that I pressed before. This one is not words, this one's actually all numbers. I'm gonna go ahead and write that down and then I'll be right back. Wallet setup underway. Do not turn off your phone or leave the app. The process may take a few minutes. For the record, it does make you type in all 12 number sets, so make sure that obviously you wanna make sure you write them down clearly anyways because you need them as a restore seed, but definitely make sure you write them down clearly or else you have to go back and do it all over again. Go to my wallet. So OMI or OMI is the Ecomi crowd sale, so that's the details for that. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin. You go to your settings, you can show your pairing password, you can reset your card, you can forget this card if you want to sync a new one. When you click the button on the wallet itself, let's see here. So you can, right, I don't know if you can see it, but for right here, that's the Bitcoin symbol. If you click it again, Ethereum, and so it just carries on, right? So that's the way you adjust what you're looking at on the wallet itself. Pros. I see this for every hardware wallet that's got a companion app, but that makes it so much more usable and easy for the average person. Being able to access any of your crypto in a working way and not have to connect it to a computer, it's a huge plus for me. It's cool looking. I like the design. I love that you can put it in your wallet and it can act as a card like everything else in your wallet. That being said, carrying around your cold wallet isn't always recommended because you really don't want to lose it, but having the ability to do so is a nice perk. The price point is great. The wallet's $99 US. That puts it lower than almost everything on the market, making it a great entry-level wallet for the average user. On to the cons. When I did my Cool Wallet S review, someone mentioned in the comments that if the private keys are generated on the app on the phone, then the wallet itself not connecting to the network is pointless because the phone, which is connected to the internet, which generated the code, mean that it could be compromised. Now, I'm not saying that it is, but the other two wallets that I reviewed recently generated the seeds on the wallet themselves, and those wallets never touch a network. So from that perspective, I could see where someone has concern about that. And I actually had no really good response to that question because I genuinely don't really understand if one or two are safer. I'd imagine the one being generated on the cold wallet would probably be safer. My concern with newer hardware wallets, as usual, is the legitimacy of the security. I use this example every single video as a con, but it's true. Ledger and Trezor have been on the market for quite a while, and they have put out some real-life tests proving that they are reputable, they are secure, and they do stand behind the products. So time will tell if Ecomi can stand up to its promises. Final thoughts. I like the design of the wallet. It's small, portable, and easy to use, and has a companion app. The price is very competitive, and it makes it a viable option for newcomers. I think it's also kind of cool that the parent company will be supporting Crypto Collectibles on the wallet as well. That being said, I'm not a fan of the private key being generated on the phone and not on the wallet. All right, everyone, that's about it for me today. I'd like to thank Ecomi for supplying me with the wallet for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all soon. I heard you like unboxing videos. Well, good news. I've got tons more where that came from. Check out my unboxing playlist if you'd like to watch something else. You can go peruse the rest of my content. I'm sure you'll find something interesting. As usual, thank you for watching my channel.